IdeaScale Whiteboard, igniting collaborative innovation. IdeaScale Whiteboard makes collaboration for innovation easy, effective, and actionable. You can spark your team's creativity with our real-time, intuitive collaboration platform. Using IdeaScale Whiteboard, your team can utilize a variety of impactful tools. Free and smart drawing help build communication between collaborators and can be the starting point for creative solutions. Sticky notes allow users to document and organize their thoughts on the whiteboard. Notes and other elements are easily customizable from the sidebar, where you can select different color and orientation options. Groups allow you to build a structured approach to brainstorming and collaboration, helping facilitate effective meetings and collaboration sessions for your team. Diagrams can be created by linking any two elements together on the board, creating a sequence and flow of information. Because any elements can link to each other, you can create fully custom diagrams to navigate your workflow. Images and links both integrate rich content to your boards, adding a layer of depth to your shared knowledge. By adding external reference materials to a board, everyone will be able to access the same information and collaborate with confidence. Utilizing the entire IdeaScale Whiteboard toolbox enables teams to communicate and collaborate effectively while stimulating the innovation process. In addition to the collaboration tools, IdeaScale Whiteboard boasts multiple pre-made templates to structure your project. Our variety of templates helps get projects off the ground and can be customized to fit the needs of any collaboration session. Virtual whiteboards enable you to share information, brainstorm, refine ideas, and create meaningful solutions to your most pressing problems and growth opportunities. Your innovation team will experience and benefit from unlimited space to collaborate and expand ideas, universal access to integrate expert opinion into the innovation process, internal task management for action items, increased efficiency in remote meetings, improved communication among team members will help catalyze results throughout your innovation process. IdeaScale Whiteboard's tools enable you to brainstorm ideas and share them with peers, refine concepts to clarify and expand on key ideas, create a business model based on a valuable hypothesis, build and track action items to advance ideas through implementation. Join us to begin your innovation journey with IdeaScale Whiteboard, igniting collaborative innovation.